According to the World Health Organization, unhealthy diets and physical inactivity are leading to risk factors for global mortality, contributing to chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. It's not about what you eat, it's about your overall health and well-being.
Healthy eating is not just about what's on your plate. It's about how you feel. A balanced diet boosts in your energy, sharpen your mind, and strengthen your immune system.
It improves mental health. A balanced diet can enhance your mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and depression.
Healthy eating supports weight management. Making smart food choices helps maintain a healthy weight and prevents overeating.
It strengthens your immune system. Eating well can help your body fight off illness and stay healthy.
The importance of good nutrition. The relationship between our health and the nutritional value of our diets is complex. But learning how to eat well can play a huge role in our physical and mental well-being. The right mixture of nutrients and the appropriate number of calories is essential for our healthy development, resilience against disease, and healthy aging.
Stay hydrated throughout the day.
Plan your meals ahead to avoid fast food.
Whole grain for long-lasting energy.
Get enough sleep, eat a good meal.
Eat for nutrition, not for taste.
Eating well has transformed lives, and it can transform yours too.
For your health,
For your family and for your future.